Let's get uncomfortable for a second. Most people don't fail at business because their ideas are bad. They fail with good ideas. Ideas that could have worked. Ideas that should have worked. Ideas that worked for someone else. And that's the painful part. If ideas were enough, the world would be full of rich people. But it's not. So today, we're not motivating you. We're diagnosing you. This is the story of Stix. Stix had ideas. Good ones. And he failed at most of them. Let's talk about why. Reason 1. People fall in love with the idea, not the work. Stix had an idea. Then another one. Then another one. He loved brainstorming, loved imagining success, loved saying, "When this works." But the moment the work became boring, he disappeared. Here's the truth nobody likes. Every business becomes boring before it becomes profitable. The idea excites you. The execution tests you. And most people quit during the boring middle. Not because it's hard, but because it's repetitive. You don't fail because you're tired. You fail because the dopamine ran out. Reason 2. People want results before reality kicks in. Stix launched his first business. Week 1, no sales. Week 2, 1 sale. Week 3, self-doubt. And then he asked the most dangerous question in business. Is this even working? Here's reality. Businesses don't grow in straight lines. They grow in silence. Then suddenly, most people quit 1 inch before momentum. They mistake slow growth for failure. But slow growth is just the price of entry. Overnight success is just someone who didn't stop showing up. Reason 3. People overcomplicate simple things. Stix wanted perfection. Perfect logo. Perfect website. Perfect strategy. So he delayed and delayed and delayed. Meanwhile, someone with a worse idea, but faster execution, took the market. Business rewards speed, not beauty. Customers don't care about your logo. They care if you solve their problem. Perfection is procrastination wearing a suit. Reason 4. People try to do everything themselves. Stix wanted control. So he did the marketing, the sales, the delivery, the accounting. He became busy, not profitable. Here's the trap. Being busy feels productive. But systems make money. Most people don't build businesses. They build stressful jobs with no salary. If the business collapses when you rest, you don't own a business. It owns you. Reason 5. People underestimate time. Stix thought 6 months was a long time. It's not. 6 months is warming up. 1 year is learning. 2 years is positioning. 3 years is leverage. Most people quit at month 4. Then call business a scam. You can't plant a seed today and insult the soil tomorrow. Reason 6. People listen to too many voices. Stix asked everyone for advice. Friends with no businesses, relatives with opinions, strangers online. The result? Confusion. Too many voices kill clarity. Everyone has advice. Few have results. If you take advice from people who've never built anything, don't be shocked when nothing gets built. Reason 7. People expect confidence before action. Stix waited to feel ready. He waited to be confident, to be sure, to be fearless. That day never came. Confidence is not the entry requirement. Action creates confidence. You don't become brave and then act. You act, and bravery follows. Fear doesn't disappear. You just learn to work while it's talking. Reason 8. People quit too early and too quietly. Here's the saddest part. Most people don't fail loudly. They fade. They stop posting. Stop trying. Stop believing. No announcement. No lesson learned. Just silence. Failure isn't falling down. Failure is deciding to stay down. So what changed for Stix? He stopped chasing excitement. He chose boring consistency, boring systems, boring discipline, and boring paid him. If you're still watching this, it means you're not lazy. You're just early. Subscribe, because this channel doesn't sell dreams. It explains reality. And in the next video, I'll show you how to build businesses that don't burn you out and actually pay you back. See you next time.